In the digital age, the demand for remote work has skyrocketed, with many people seeking opportunities that offer flexibility and substantial income. One such opportunity that has gained popularity is the concept of earning money by copying and pasting text. While it might sound too good to be true, there are legitimate ways to make a significant income, even up to $7,595 per week, by performing these simple tasks. This video will explore how this is possible, the types of jobs available, and how to get started. Understanding the concept. Copying and pasting text involves transferring content from one document or source to another. This task is fundamental and straightforward, requiring minimal technical skills. It is often part of data entry, content creation, and digital marketing jobs. Many businesses, especially those that operate online, require large amounts of content to be moved, formatted, or uploaded regularly. This need creates a demand for individuals who can perform these tasks efficiently. Companies prefer to outsource these tasks to freelancers or remote workers to save on costs and increase flexibility. 1. Data entry. Data entry is one of the most common jobs that involve copying and pasting text. It includes transferring data from one format to another, such as from paper documents to digital formats or from spreadsheets to databases. Typical tasks: entering customer information into CRM systems, transferring data from scanned documents to spreadsheets, updating product descriptions in e-commerce platforms. Skills required: attention to detail, basic computer skills, familiarity with Office software like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. 2. Content management. Content management roles often involve copying and pasting text to update websites, blogs, and social media platforms. This can include uploading articles, product descriptions, and other types of content. Typical tasks: posting blog articles on content management systems (CMS) like WordPress, updating product listings on e-commerce sites, formatting and scheduling social media posts. Skills required: basic knowledge of CMS platforms, understanding of formatting and SEO, good written communication skills. 3. Transcription services. Transcription services require converting audio or video content into written text. This task often involves copying the transcribed text and pasting it into documents or online platforms. Typical tasks: transcribing interviews or podcasts, converting video content into written scripts, uploading transcriptions to websites or databases. Skills required: excellent listening skills, fast and accurate typing, proficiency in language and grammar. 4. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants perform various administrative tasks, many of which involve copying and pasting text. This can range from managing emails to creating reports and presentations. Typical tasks: managing email correspondence, creating and updating reports, scheduling appointments and managing calendars. Skills required: strong organizational skills, proficiency in Office software, good communication skills. 5. Digital marketing. Digital marketing roles often require copying and pasting text for tasks such as email marketing, social media management, and content creation. This can include creating newsletters, updating social media profiles, and formatting marketing materials. Typical tasks: creating and sending email newsletters, updating social media profiles and posting content, formatting marketing materials and advertisements. Skills required: understanding of digital marketing tools, basic graphic design skills, creativity and attention to detail. How to get started. Finding opportunities. There are several platforms where you can find jobs that involve copying and pasting text. Some of the most popular include freelance websites. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer numerous opportunities for data entry, content management, and virtual assistant roles. Create a profile highlighting your skills and experience. Search for relevant job listings and submit proposals. Build a portfolio of completed projects to attract more clients. Job boards. Websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn frequently list remote data entry and content management jobs. Set up job alerts for relevant keywords such as data entry, content management, and virtual assistant. Apply to jobs that match your skills and interests. Network with professionals in the industry to discover new opportunities. Company websites. Many companies list remote job opportunities on their websites. Look for positions in industries that require large amounts of content management, such as e-commerce, digital marketing, and online education. Research companies that hire remote workers. Visit their career pages and look for relevant job listings. Submit your application along with a tailored resume and cover letter. Building your skills. While copying and pasting text may seem simple, having additional skills can make you more competitive and increase your earning potential. Typing speed and accuracy. Improving your typing speed and accuracy can help you complete tasks more efficiently. Websites like Typing Club and 10 Fast Fingers offer free typing practice. Familiarity with Office software. Proficiency in software like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace is essential for most data entry and content management jobs. Online courses on platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning can help you build these skills. Understanding of digital marketing. For roles in digital marketing, understanding SEO, email marketing, and social media management can be beneficial. Websites like HubSpot Academy and Google Digital Garage offer free courses on these topics. Maximizing your earnings. Working efficiently. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to work efficiently and manage your time effectively. Here are some tips. Use keyboard shortcuts. Learning keyboard shortcuts can save you time when copying and pasting text. For example, using Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste can speed up your workflow. Organize your workspace. Keeping your digital workspace organized can help you find and access files quickly. Use folders and naming conventions to keep your documents in order. Track your time. Use time tracking tools like Toggle or Clockify to monitor how much time you spend on each task. This can help you identify areas where you can improve your efficiency. Negotiating rates. When starting, you may need to accept lower-paying jobs to build your portfolio. However, as you gain experience and build a reputation, you can start negotiating higher rates. Research industry rates. Research the average rates for data entry, content management, and virtual assistant jobs in your industry. This can give you a benchmark for negotiating your rates. Highlight your skills and experience. When negotiating rates, highlight your skills, experience, and the quality of your work. Providing examples of completed projects can help demonstrate your value to potential clients. Offer package deals. Offering package deals can be an effective way to increase your earnings. For example, you could offer a discounted rate for clients who hire you for multiple tasks or long-term projects. Avoiding scams. While there are legitimate opportunities to earn money by copying and pasting text, there are also scams to be aware of. Here are some tips to help you avoid scams. Research the company. Before accepting a job offer, research the company to ensure it is legitimate.